So in this question is what 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, that is 10 years hence. 10 years hence, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? So Nuri, I will take it as what? Age of Nuri is X. Sonu, I will take it as Y. First condition is what? 5 years ago. 5 years ago in the sense X minus or Y minus. Nuri was thrice as Nuri or what? However you can pronounce this name. Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Correct? So X minus 5 equal to what? 3 into Y minus 5. Do not forget to put the bracket, especially in multiplication, or else it will go full wrong. Next thing is what? 10 years later. 10 years later, that is 10 years after. Later means after. Nuri will be twice as old of Sonu. So X plus 10, and this is Y plus what? 10. Correct? And now what do you have to find? We have to find X and Y. The easiest method in this is elimination. So once you do this, you will get X answer as 50 and Y answer as 20. 20 years and 50 years respectively. So let me see who will do the answer, who will get me the answer fast for this question. Okay, yeah. Please do the calculations and let me know who will be getting the answer fast. Anyone who did not understand the logic in this, did not understand the logic. Everyone understood the logic? Yeah, this is same like the previous thing only. So I think you can take a screenshot of this and later on you can do the thing. So Arathi and Devsri, once you're taking screenshot, let me know. Okay, taken a screenshot, fine. I'll go to the next one then. This question. The sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is, yeah. So the same type of question is available in NCERT examples. Okay, the same type of question is there. So what is in this question? The sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no, this thing? So 2-digit number in the sense, this is my units place. This is my tens place. Correct? So 2-digit number will have units place and tens place. Correct or not? Yes. So sum of the digits. So the first one, if I'm taking it as X, and second one, in the units place, I'm taking it as Y. Sum of the digits in the sense what? Digits is X and Y. Suppose if it is 44 here, it will be 4 plus 4. Correct? Or 45, 4 plus 5. That is sum of digits meaning. So sum of digits of 2-digit number is what? 9. In the sense x plus y is equal to 9. Correct? And next thing is also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. Also 9 times this number. Which number? This number, in the sense this 2-digit number. What is my 2-digit number? 2-digit numbers in tens place and units place will come, right? Correct? So 9 times, in the sense 9 into 10x plus y. If anyone haven't understood this thing, I'll explain very clearly. Suppose if the number is 44, correct? So what is my x value? 4, and y value is what? 4, correct? So I will only get what? 10 into 4 plus 4 only I'll get, right? 44. Or if it is 45, x and y, correct? Only after doing 10 into 4 plus, correct, 5 into 1 only I'll get this number, right? 45. Is everyone clear about that? Is everyone clear about this particular thing? I'll circle it around. This thing, 9 into 10x plus y. Is everyone clear about this? How we got it? Not clear, please message me. Not clear, please message me now itself. Yeah. Okay, everyone is clear. Then okay. So 9, I'm just writing this thing. 9 into 9 times this number is what? Twice the number obtained by reversing the digit. 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the digit. Reversing the digit in the sense, now we got what? 2 places. One is tens place, other is units place. Reversing the order, in the sense y will come here and x will come here. Is this thing clear to everyone? So 2 times what? The number, in the sense tens place is now what? Y. Units place is x. So 10y plus x. That's it. So first equation already I got it. So do not forget about the first equation. X plus y is equal to 9. Next equation is what? 9 into 10x plus y is equal to 2 into 10y plus x. Correct? Now we have to solve this particular logic. So basically this is what? 9 into what? The number plus 2 into what? Reverse the number. Reverse the number. This is the logic they are told in words. So whatever they're told in words, we're just representing in terms of variables and numbers. Is it clear? And when you're multiplying, 2 into 10y is 20y and 2 into x is 2x. 9 into 10x is 90x and 9 into y is 9y. And upon solving, you'll get what? X as 1, x value as 1, and y value as 8 upon solving. Yeah. So kindly do this question and let me know whether you're getting the same answer or not. Yes. So in this question, Meena went to the bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and 100 notes only. So Meena got total what? 25 notes in all. Correct? Yes. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and 100 she received. So totally how much she wanted? 2000 rupees. Okay. 2000 rupees. So now total how many notes she got totally? 25. So just by using common sense itself, So totally she got 25 notes totally. Correct? How many rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received? That's the question here. How many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received? So suppose she has got all the rupees 100, it will be what, 25 into 100, 2500, but she wanted to withdraw only 2000, so that is not met. Correct? So suppose if it is 100 notes, then what, dot 2000 rupees it is coming. So then extra 5 is what, 5 into 50, it is exceeding the 2000 limit. Is everyone with me in this? So I'm just teaching you the logic on how to think. Rather than just solving blindly, I'm just teaching you the logic behind this. I'm just subtracting 5, 5 and going, okay? So suppose now I am taking 1500 notes. So what is it actually? 1500. Correct? 100 rupees I'm getting, totally I'm getting 25 notes, okay? Now what is the 50 rupees note? 10. 10 50 rupees notes. So that is what 500. Now this is giving me as what, 2000. So without solving anything, I got the answer. So first I took what, the 25 notes as 100 and made 2500. Then I reduced 5, 20. Then I reduced 15. So now already I know the answer is what, 1500 rupees notes and 10 50 rupees notes. Is everyone able to get me in the logic? This is without solving, without doing any method. This is the way to think. You got the point logically. Now let's come to this question. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and 100 notes only. Correct? So what is the first thing? Totally how much she got? If X is 100 rupees notes, and yes. So here, if X is 100 rupees notes and Y is 50 rupees notes. Correct. First thing is what she got in total 25 notes. X plus Y is 25. Correct. Yes or no? She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. And how much she wanted actually totally? 2000. Correct. So in the sense, yes, 50 rupees notes plus 100 rupees notes. So 100 rupees note is what, 100x. 50 rupees notes is 50y. This should be equal to what? 2000. Yes. So if I want to take 50 outside from this common, I'll get what? 2x plus y is equal to 2000. So if I want, I can cancel this. 1 0 here, 1 0 here. 5 4s are 20, 40. So 2x plus y I got as 40. 2x plus y I got as 40. And other equation is what? X plus y is equal to 25. So if I solve this equation by elimination method, I'll get the answer fast. Already I told you what is the answer. 100 rupees notes as what? How much is there? 1500 rupees notes and rest 10 50 rupees notes. That's it. Is my voice breaking now? Is my voice breaking now? No. Okay. So that may be due to an internet problem. Yeah. Yes, I think now that has been resolved. I hope so. So yeah, I think any doubts now? To Aditi Chinmay, is it clear now? Or do you want me to explain one more time this question? Please let me know in chat. Rohit, Midun, Diksha. Devasri is doing good. That's the reason I'm not asking her now. Done. Okay, if you want me to explain this question, it's a very simple question. Meena went to the bank, okay, to withdraw 2000 rupees notes. So normally she asks the cashier to give her what? Rupees 50 and 100 notes. So Meena got total 25 notes. So we have to find how many 50 rupees notes and how many 100 rupees notes did the cashier give to Meena, so that the amount should be equal to what? 2000. Correct? So we don't know the number of 100 rupees notes, right? So X I'm taking as 100 rupees. Y I'm taking as 50 rupees. Correct? Yes or no? So 100x plus 50y total should be what? 2000 rupees. Okay, and totally how much notes she got? 25. In the sense 50 rupees and 100 rupees note should be equal to 25. That's it. So is your doubt cleared now? Yeah. Is the doubt cleared now for everyone? The logic wise thing? Yes. Chinmay and Aditi, what about now? Rohit, Arati has said yes. Okay. Good that you are responding it in chat. Chinmay and Aditi, do you want me to explain one more time this question? Understood. Okay, okay, fine. So maybe I'll rename you here. Done. Okay.